Welcome to my channel!
Fix slow Wi-Fi instantly. TP-Link Deco BE17000 Full Setup Guide. 1. Unbox your TP-Link Deco BE17000 system. Check all units, power adapters, and Ethernet cables before starting the setup. 2. Place your Deco units correctly. Keep the main unit near your modem and place other units in open, central locations for strong Wi-Fi coverage. 3. Power on the Deco units. Plug in each unit and wait for the LED light to turn pulsing blue, indicating they're ready for setup. 4. Install the TP-Link Deco app. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store to manage the entire Wi-Fi system easily. 5. Add your Deco BE17000 in the app. Open the Deco app, tap Add Device, select B series, follow on-screen instructions. 6. Connect the main Deco to your modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the main Deco, then wait for automatic detection. 7. Create your Wi-Fi network name and password. Set up a single network name, SSID, for seamless roaming across all Deco units. 8. Position and link additional Deco units. Place the next units halfway between your modem and weak Wi-Fi areas, then let them sync automatically. 9. Update firmware for best performance. Install available updates to boost speed, reduce lag, and improve network stability. 10. Connect devices and run a speed test. Connect phones, laptops, smart TVs, and gaming devices, then test your speed to confirm the slow Wi-Fi issue is fixed instantly.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.